A controversial arrest made at the Jefferson County Courthouse has made its way to federal court. The case has already led to the retirement of one sheriff's deputy and the suspension of another. They are accused of lying in their statements about the arrest of Steve Hartman, a process server who was accused of disrupting court proceedings when he went to serve Judge Lane Walker with a lawsuit. The arrest led to charges against Hartman and the suspension of his state licenses. 12 News HD anchor Angel San Juan joins us in studio with new developments in the case. Angel.
Jackie, we have breaking news on the story. Based on these documents obtained by 12 News today, the Texas Department of Public Safety has reinstated Hartman's licenses. This is the investigative report done by the sheriff's office that led to disciplinary action against the arresting deputies. Also helping Hartman's case was a pin camera that he had on him. It recorded the incident. Now Hartman is seeking another recording that he hopes will clear his name further. First, there was this video showing the arrest of Steve Hartman. What was captured on a pin camera contradicted what Sergeant Steve Broussard and Deputy Tony Barker claimed had happened. The video alone led to disciplinary actions against Broussard and Barker as a result of an internal investigation. This week, 12 News HD obtained that investigative report. We already knew that Broussard had taken the pin camera home and downloaded it before submitting it into evidence. But from this report, we now know that Broussard was not the only one to see this video before it was put into evidence. Broussard told investigators that his immediate supervisor, Captain Steve Carr, watched the video in the office of Judge Lane Walker's court reporter, Summer Tanner. He says Tanner and Walker's court coordinator, Ann Landry, were both present. Neither woman had a comment when contacted by 12 News. There's another recording of the May 28th incident in addition to this video that's now in demand. Hartman is suing the county in federal court, and he wants the audio tape and transcripts recorded by the court reporter, Summer Tanner. Federal Magistrate Judge Zach Hawthorne has given the county 7 days to release them. However, Tuesday, the county attorney responded saying Tanner is not a county employee. She works for the judge, so the county does not have the authority to comply with Hawthorne's order. No word on what Judge Hawthorne will do next now that the county says it cannot release the recordings from the court reporter. As for Sergeant Broussard, he retired last month after the sheriff recommended his termination. We also want to point out that during the internal investigation, Broussard told investigators that to his knowledge, Judge Lane Walker never saw the video from the pin camera. Live in studio, Angel San Juan, 12 News HD.
Thank you, Angel. And despite what's been revealed about Steve Hartman's arrest being mishandled, charges against Hartman have not been dropped. We've attempted to contact Special Prosecutor Joe Alford numerous times about the case, but he has yet to return our calls.